Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of data on the application of DoorDash. You click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about DoorDash and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors you can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store, you can search about DoorDash like this and you can update your app if you will find updating this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.